Hey everybody, good morning. Happy Tuesday. Today you have my homeroom only has their counseling session with Miss Myers at 9 o'clock. So my homeroom students, you can log on to Microsoft Teams to have your meeting with Miss Myers. So what you do, you go to your class link, then you go to Microsoft or 360, Office 360, that like orange looking button. Then go to Teams. You have to go through your class link first or it will not work. Um, if it's asking for an email, it's not your parents' email. It's your lunch account number, your class link number, and then you put the @fcstu.org. That's your email account. So you have to go through ClassLink and then it should work just fine. You shouldn't have to download anything. Today for your schoolwork, you have your read alouds you can do this week. Today for reading on Tuesday, you're going to watch this lesson from Miss Roberts, and she's going to teach you that readers stop and think, what is this part mostly about? So as you're reading, readers, it's really important that you don't keep reading and reading and reading and reading, that you stop and make your brain think, what was that really mostly about? What was the main idea? And to either stop and think, stop and talk to somebody near you, or stop and jot. And there's going to be a chart for you to look at for main idea. For math, you can watch this money word problems lesson if you haven't already. Then you're going to watch this video about telling time. You're going to review what happens when the hour hand, you're going to review what happens with the hour hand and how the minute hand move together. You're going to do a worksheet from the second grade website called Telling Time for 5 minutes. And then something extra if you want, you could get a paper plate if you have one, or cut out a circle from paper and draw your own clock. For science, you are going to read through the PowerPoint that's called Harmful Beneficial Plants. I'm going to go back to this page. Here is your time worksheet. And here is your PowerPoint to watch today, Georgia's Beneficial and Harmful Plants. So you're just going to click on that and read through the PowerPoint. So let me make sure that is it for today. Yep, that is it for today. And hopefully we will see each other during Miss Myers' lesson. I know Microsoft Teams is different than Zoom. I wish we could see each other, but hopefully they're going to work on that so we can see each other a little bit more on Zoom, on Microsoft Teams. And I know it's a little tricky. If you have trouble logging on, it's okay. This is not a part of your grade. If you can't be a part of Miss Myers' lesson today because someone's using your computer or it's just not working right, that's okay. This is just something extra to do. And remember this week, the only thing, I don't need any of your work this week actually. Mrs. Strickland is going to need your Friday math work for a grade, and it's highlighted in yellow. That is the only thing we're going to need for this week. So if you haven't turned in your table of contents from last week, I really need that so I can give you your grade for that. So if you haven't sent me a picture of your table of contents, please do that today. You can do it on Seesaw or just email it to me. Okay guys, that's it for today. Happy Tuesday.